poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is trying on lashes. Now this is actually kind of different from me. Hold on. This is actually kind of different for me because usually I'm kind of scared of the lashes that I choose because I just always thought that because I have such small eyes, like big eyelashes would look crazy on me. Like it just wouldn't look good. Like I really had that in my head. So I'd always buy like the tiny little baby doll, I guess, looking eyelashes. But I was scrolling through Amazon and I was like, let me just go for it. Let me just buy some of the mink eyelashes. So I came across this vendor and it had like mixed reviews, so I was kind of scared, but I was just like, let me just see for myself. Ooh, excuse me. I said let me just see for myself, so then I can probably share what I've learned with others. So without further ado, these are the lashes. I think it's McKinney lashes, but this is the packaging and it's actually cute. Like it has the little glitter sides, and then when you open it, it has the 3 different lashes, and then it has the tweezers. So yeah, I did wear a pair of them already, so if it looks like it's opened or stuff is moved around, that's because I did it. It's not what it looked like when it came in the packaging. I'll actually show you what it looked like when I first got it. So I'm going to try on the ones I already tried on before. I'm gonna try these on first for you guys. So these first lashes are actually the ones that I wore before I even did this video. These are actually my favorite. They're kind of like I would say they're like butterfly. They really suit my eyes. They're really wispy. I really like them. I really don't have any complaints about these at all. I really feel like these are perfect for my eye shape because I do have small like almond shaped eyes, so these are like perfect for me. These are the next ones. So with this pack, it's as if they gradually just get a bit more extra. So these are like semi extra. They're all the same length. Don't really have any complaints about these either. They're pretty nice, pretty simple, not too much, still really wispy and really lightweight as well. Okay, these are the most dramatic ones out of all of them. This is if you want to do a full face, full glam type of thing. The only complaint I would say is that on the right inner corner eye, like the lashes, they're like a little weird. A little something weird is going on right there, so I might have to like try to use a curler or something to fix them. But yeah, very dramatic. No other complaints about these. Also very lightweight and still wispy too, not too much, you know. Okay guys, so those were all the lashes. I think that they were pretty good. Like I don't think that they were too bad or anything. I know that some of them when I put them on they looked a little crooked, but like don't look at that part. Alright, I don't really gotta put on lashes. But I think out of all of them I like the first ones the best because I think they kind of suited my eyes the best. But yeah, make sure you guys hit the link in my description so you can get yourself a pair of these. I think I would probably rate them like maybe 3.5 or 4 stars. Like these are the first like real lashes that I've had, and I don't think they're too bad. I know that when I looked at the reviews, I was kind of skeptical because people were saying that they came damaged or like they easily fell apart or anything. But for me personally, they came looking pretty nice. They weren't sent to me. I bought them myself. I'm not an influencer. Like, people don't know who I am. So, you know, just a regular customer. And they came fine for me. So, don't come for me if yours come and they're all falling apart and stuff. But no, I really don't think they will. Mine came pretty nice. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll definitely be back with more videos for you guys.